Hello friends. So today I found a very new and best project, I guess. Yeah, best only because it is based on Polygon. The Polygon is future, everyone knows about that, and it has real use. It's not just like a meme coin or like that. It's a vault project. Vault project like you can say Beefy Finance, same like that. Look at this coin. So here its logo and it's in a initial phase, so it's best time to enter in this. Look at the APY. Everyone knows that Polygon based coins and their farming, their day fees. Everyone, it has a best APY. Look at this. Wow, 2000%. See, actually, I staked yesterday. Staking and unstaking is very easier. Very easy. See, you can do plus mark here. You can do staking currently, so you can do unstake here like this. Look, I just for a trial I just taked $100, but the coin price is increasing rapidly, so it became in just one day $114. Nice return, 14% return in just one day, just because of auto compounding. And yeah, the best thing about this is just in 5 minutes. Yeah, you are listening correct. Just in 5 minutes, it does auto compounding. The best thing about this APY is also high. Look at this. Whoa, look at this. 74,000%. Wow. Huh, it's amazing. Let's go more down here. Let's go more down. Look at this. Look at this. 200,000%. 88,000% APY. Can you believe this? Yeah, it's real. It's real. It's absolute real. Look at it. Look at it. So this is a new coin. Its APY is very high, but it's risky. Don't invest in risky projects. Invest in safe projects. See, risk is yours, and I really love risk, but I'll not take risk in this. So that's why I invested in just Coach Coin because I like this project. And yesterday I bought only 860 coins, but today it increased. Just in 18 hours I spent it, and look at this. 882 coins and $14 profit. So basically this project is new and best time to entry, and the returns are very high, really very high. Yeah, you can save your future here. Yeah, your future will be bright if you invest in this. I personally feel like that. Polygon, because Polygon is the next coin, I believe. Thematic Polygon, it's based on that. And look at these many people trust this vault, that's why they have invested this. The vault size shows you the trust of the people, and it is audited by Obelix. Look at this. It's safe. It's very safe. Really very safe. I personally like this. I personally believe you should also try this. And yeah, let's talk about one thing which is very interesting and special about it. The fees. Look at the fees. You will be amazed. See, these are the rest of the farms, vaults, and look at the fees. Deposit fees, zero. Zero. Withdrawal fees, zero. And whatever you earn, they just take a little bit charge from your rewards, which they gave in APY, and just it ranges from 0 to 1%. Maximum 1%, you can say. 0 to 1%. That much low. Because it's based on Polygon, so Polygon fees, everyone knows it really very low. So to buy this coin, Coach coin, you have to do bridging. Yeah. So where to do bridging and how to get this Coach coin? So you can click on this Get Coach coin. You can click on this Get Coach coin, and after clicking on this, you will go to Quick Swap, and here you can choose any coin like Matic or anything to convert it into Coach coin. See, look at it, Coach. Whatever currently in one Matic, you will get 10.39 Coach. I believe it's Nice rate. It is a listed coin. It's listed in um, CoinGecko, Coin Market Cap, everywhere. It's listed coin. It's safe, purely safe. Safe coin. Let's see its current price in CoinGecko. I use it. So let's search about coach and its supply. So the coach supply you can see. Wait, just wait. See, this is the current live price, friends. $0.12, 12 cent. It's really low. And look at the supply. Supply is very low. I personally like this coin because supply is low and it's new, and the project is increasing day by day. I invested $100 and look at this. It has become $113.54. So the price is really increasing day by day. I believe we should take entry here, and who will not love this APY? Everyone will love this. This much APY you will not get anywhere, not even on PancakeSwap, not even on anywhere you go like Sushi, or see, you can also stake at I know. Mm, Basically, you need MetaMask on for this. I will make next video for it. How to invest in it. I'll make a tutorial. I'll make a video on it. So you for bridging you need to use Orbit Bridge. I use this. You can select Aircoin like Binance Smart Chain. You can select this, um, and you can change it to Polygon. So for bridging, I use this. So guys, so let us invest in Coach. Let's invest. It's really a nice project. So let's invest.